warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Tulab Lugat Arabi, my Arabic learners. Now, welcome to another part of Learn Arabic. Now, inshallah, into this video, we'll be diving into the most common Arabic verbs, into the most common Arabic verbs. Now, the first verbs we have here, the first verb is yakul. Yakul. What does yakul mean in English? Yakul, that's what to eat. Yakul, to eat. Yakul, you can say that, you can repeat that after me. Yakul, yakul, that's to eat. Now, we have yashrab. Yashrab, yashrab, that to drink. Say yashrab, that to drink. Yashrab, to drink. Yamliku, yamliku, that's what to own. Yamliku, yamliku, that's to own. We have yufakiru. Yufakiru, that's what? Yufakiru, that's to think. That's another Arabic verb. That yufakiru, that's what? To think. Then we have the next one. We have ya'rifu. Ya'rifu, that's what? Ya'rifu, that's to know. Ya'rifu, to know. Yuhibbu. Yuhibbu, that's what? Yuhibbu, to what? That's to love. Yuhibbu, to love. Yakhbiru, you can repeat it after me. Yakhbiru. Yakhbiru, that's what? To tell. To tell. To tell. Then we have yawuliku. Yawuliku, that's what? Yawuliku, that's to close. To what? Yawuliku, to close. Yawuliku, to close. Then the next one is what? Yashrabu, ya'khudhu. Ya'khudhu, that's ya'khudhu, to what? That's to take. Then we have yara. We have yara, that's what? To see. Then we have yasilu. Yasilu, that's what? To what? To arrive. Yasilu, to arrive. Then we have yati. We have what? Yati. We have yati, that's what? To come. Yati, to come. Then the next one is yadhabu. This is another verb. This is another Arabic verb. That's what? Yadhabu. What does yadhab means? It means to what? To go. That yadhabu, to what? To go. Then we have yaktubu. Yaktubu, that's what? To write. Yaktubu, that's what? To write. Then we have yes alu. Yes alu, that's what? To ask. That's what? To ask. Yes alu, that's to ask. So these are the most the most common Arabic verbs. We have a lot of verbs. We have a lot of verbs, Arabic verbs, but these are the most common Arabic verbs. Now, with all these verbs, you can use all these verbs to form different sentence, to form different what sentence. Like this yakulu now, you can use yakul to eat to form sentence to form sentence. Okay, for example, now we have yakul. That's what? هذا رجل هذا رجل هذا رجل هو يأكل هو يأكل. This is the man that's what that eats. This is the man that is eating. Sorry, this is the man that is eating. هذا رجل هو هذا رجل. This man, this is the man that is that is eating. هذا رجل هو يأكل. This is the man that is that is eating. Then you can also use yashrabu to form sentence out as well. That like okay, wahuwa yashrabu. That's what? Wahuwa yashrabu. He is the one that is that is drinking. Wahuwa yashrabu. He is the one that is drinking. Wahuwa yashrabu. He is the one drinking. He is the one drinking. He is the one that is that is drinking. Now, with all the remaining verbs we have here, you can use it to form different verbs. So thank you for watching the video. See me in my next video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, share, like. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless you. Thank you for watching. Assalamu alaikum.